is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a Denso starter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, 14mm socket, 12mm wrench, 10mm wrench, 3/8 cordless ratchet, battery terminal cleaner. Okay, the starter is located underneath the intake manifold. So first we're going to disconnect the negative side of the battery. So I'm under the vehicle. The starter is going to be coming out from the bottom, so I'm going to remove the oil filter. So disconnect this electrical wire that goes to your oil pressure switch. So now we're going to be removing the wires that goes to the starter. So I disconnected my wires from the starter solenoid. So now we're going to be loosening two bolts that bolt the starter to the transmission. One is going to be on the top right here, going this way, and the other one is going to be on the bottom, going to go the other way. Okay, removing the top bolt. Removing the bolt from the bottom. Removing the starter. Putting on my new starter. Holding up my starter. Connecting my wires to the starter. So I put my wire back on to the oil pressure switch. Now I'm going to be screwing on my filter. Connecting my battery. Cleaning my terminals. And you're good to go. So that's how you replace a starter. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.